What's up, everybody? Not sure if you noticed, but I got a webcam. All right, I'm getting into this. I'm becoming a real YouTuber now. I got webcams, I got microphones, I got blue lights behind me. What's up? Hey, folks, Beach Office 365 here, bringing you the latest and greatest in crypto, DeFi, and passive income. Today, I wanted to talk a little bit about my new webcam, obviously, and my microphone and me looking all cool and YouTube-like, but also about Drip, also about some of the team members. We're building a team here. I'm already doing airdrops. So if you're not into Drip yet, I'm going to leave all the instructions down below. I'd love to have you part of my team. Come join. What an amazing time this is to get in. I was looking over at the price here. Hang on. Let me get this here. Give me a second. And I was looking. Oh, look at this. That's so. Of course, this happens, right? So I was looking at this. Sorry, I just got excited about this little pop here. I was looking at this before this pop happened. And, I mean, it's tough to do technical analysis on Drip. I say it all the time, but, coming from a background of trading in the stock market, what we have here, is a kind of a bullish looking pattern here, right? When you get a pump up like this, and then it levels off, and then it starts coming down here, this is all just consolidation, right? And you actually want it to kind of come down like this, all right? Because when it's going up like this, it's just starting to create sell pressure, and then it drops, right? So when it's coming down like this, you're building up, people are buying dips as people are selling, and then it levels off. And the idea is we want to see it come up. Hang on. Let me try and zoom out here. We want to see it come up, basically, and break, this wick over here. This was crazy. We would like to see it break that. Let me see if I can get a line here. Horizontal line. Let's get this all right. So we see this, and this is actually what it's supposed to do. I don't know if we're getting ready to go on a little run here. I don't want to get too excited, but this is what you normally tend to see is it just kind of comes down. It starts to flatten out, consolidate, and then you just see this huge, oh, wow, look at the volume. Volume just picked up on that. Let's go, baby. Let's make it happen. So anyway, guys, I'm getting excited over here. We'll have to circle back to that. I wanted to quickly go over, let's see. We got the Faucet here. And I got to do a little hydrating here. So I've got 188 drip. I've got 1.9 available. And yeah, let's hydrate this. And as you can see, I'm starting to get more members of the team. I sent a couple of airdrops out to some of you earlier today because I was just got excited we reached the 5. I think you have to have, and I got to double check the amount. There's a minimum amount of drip you do have to deposit in order to get airdrops. I tried to send it to everybody, but I think there's a few people that haven't put in yet a full 10 or 5, or I forget exactly how much it is, but I'll find out. I'll let you know. Let me just hydrate this because that's what we do over here, baby. We hydrate because we're waiting for this thing to really start to run up. Then you start pulling a little bit of profits here, profits there. But right now it's just about hydrating. I have no desire to sell. All right, and confirm. Gotta love the Binance gas fees. Not a ton. And then something that I wanted to kind of get into, is the reservoir, right? So the reservoir, there we go, compound success. Oh, that's what we like to see. So the reservoir is something that, I had kind of overlooked, and I'm realizing, the importance of it. And it's, I've seen some videos actually recently that have come out, in terms of just doing our parts to contribute to the liquidity of the drip token, right? And when you add liquidity and you provide that, it helps with price stabilization. Here's a quick little overview here, but the reservoir is Drip Network's solution for players that want benefit from non-inflationary yield farming through adding liquidity to Drip. So you can participate by adding BNB to the reservoir contract to earn passive perpetual BNB rewards, while also providing locked liquidity to the drip ecosystem. So reservoir does help provide long-term price support and an ever-rising potential price floor, right? So the more liquidity that there's in there, the more the price will stabilize, right? When you don't have a ton of liquidity and then a huge sell comes in, I mean, that's where the volatility is, and you can see huge drops. So one of the videos that I saw out today was, hey, let's all do our part, add 0.1 BNB to the reservoir. So I've been meaning to kind of do this. So let me go over here. And I mean, it's not charity money. I mean, you're going to be earning rewards. And the other thing too, wait a minute here. Why? Oh, there we go. The other thing too is unlike when you deposit drip, right? And you put the deposit and you can't get that deposit back. You're going to get paid 1% on the deposit every single day, right? So, but the one thing is when you do, when you deposit into the reservoir, you can actually pull it out, or you let it sit in there and it does compound. So let me see if I can do this now. I haven't done this yet. And who knows if I'm gonna get this right. Okay, so wait, 0.1. All right, so I'm going to get 0.0066 drops. They're called drops, right? So all you have to do, you don't even have to go to a liquidity pool to get the 2 pairs. You just deposit some BNB, and then it gives you the, let's see, and I'm going to look into this more and really kind of see too, because you do, based on the taxes, you are getting rewards as more people come in and come out. All right, so we're going to confirm that. Hopefully that should go through. And, sometimes it takes a little bit, folks. Highly recommend, though, if you're in drip and you're in this for the long term, like I am, and you realize this is on some retirement type stuff, like this is financial freedom, this is that sleep money that we want, look into the reservoir. This is not financial advice, all right? Not financial advice. At the end of the day, you got to do what's best for you. If you are in drip already, then I think, is it still going through here? Hold on. If you are in drip, and you believe in it long term, you may as well take a look at the reservoir and see, what it's about, and consider, adding some liquidity, and you'll then own a stake of the liquidity pool of drip, which is going to make us that sleep money, which is going to make us, be able to like leave the 9 to 5, right? Just have that financial freedom, make money while we sleep, make money from anywhere in the world. That's what this is all about. There is nothing greater, right, than being in a foreign country with like an ocean and palm trees and drinking stuff out of a coconut and earning money. I'm telling you. I was in Brazil a few months back, and it was just, anyway, I could go on and on. I don't know if this went through, and I don't know why. I didn't see what happened here. I can try it again. And I don't want to take up this whole video of me trying to buy, BNB, but what got to do what we got to do here. I know now the gas. Oh, here we go. Okay, come on. Buy successful. Okay. Why isn't it showing up on my thing? I want to see it like up in here. Maybe because I have so little. Oh, I think that's what it is. I think I bought maybe now I have like 0.2. I'll have to look into why it's not coming up in here. Anyway, I will look into that. Let's quickly go back over to this drip. Here we go, baby. Come on. Keep it pumping. Keep it pumping. I love it. I love it. Well, listen, I don't want to take too much of your time. I just wanted to quickly check in. if you guys have any questions, about drip, about the reservoir, about the animal farm. I didn't even talk about the animal farm. I'm getting excited. All right, because there's a lot of good things coming out next week. Animal farm, there's the partnerships. I mean, you hear it. We're all talking about it on YouTube. We're all fired up together. We're all sending out the same message, the same positive vibes. If you have questions about any of this, please hit me up. I love the comments you guys are leaving. It's like the support has been, amazing. So we'd love to hear from you. Love to hear what you're looking at, what you like about drip, and let's just keep this thing moving, man. Like, so till the next time, folks, it's Beach Office 365 signing out.